this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, heated side mirrors, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.